channel. So today I have an unboxing from Plants of Joy. She's on Instagram. She gets all kinds of succulents, and she does a lot of great deals, a lot of flash sales, and also very often I see that she does free shipping. So that is pretty cool. I'll link her down below so you guys can check her out. But let's get right to it. Move it over here. I don't remember the names, guys, of the plants, so I'll have to look back and put it on the screen for you guys. Wow, look at how pretty this is. I hope you guys can see the beautiful colors. This is, I don't know, obviously it's a type of echeveria. And I think it might be the Christmas one. I think it's called Christmas Freckles. I can't remember though. But that is super, super pretty. Let's see. Okay, so this is an echeveria Lola. I got another Lola. And this one, does it have roots? Yep, she has roots. Sorry, I am checking her out really up close. She looks good. Very pretty plant. Echeveria Lola. All these I'll put in my greenhouse just to get them adjusted. Especially, you know how what I say, the unique ones will probably stay there. What is this beauty? Oh gosh, look at that. Look at how pretty. She gets some really cool looking plants. If I can buy from her every week, I would, but I can't. So yeah. See, oh yes, it has roots. So that's cool. Can you guys see the pastel colors? So pretty. So pretty. One more. Oh yes. Look at this one. Look at this gorgeousness. Guys, look at that. How pretty. You guys know I don't have nothing like this in my collection. Oh, I love getting plants from her. You should see, like, you guys need to go on there and see all her listings that she's constantly posting. Beautiful. Beautiful plants. I'm gonna have to get more pots. Okay. Let me show you guys up close. Look at how pretty it is. So this is Plants of Joy, and I will be linking her at the bottom. And if you are a true lover of succulents and cacti, I urge you to make an Instagram account. It's very easy. If you don't want to use the post, you don't have to, but it opens up doors to other sellers with really unique plants, and it'll just open up a new world of succulents for you guys to get to know new ones, and just to get to know other people that have the same passion as we do. So I got enough pots to pot up these succulents. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm shaking the camera. This is unbalanced this way. Let's see. Okay. Steady, 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 steady. This one has no roots, so I'm just placing it there. Just letting it sit right on top of the soil. It'll be inside the greenhouse, protected from water and the harsh sun. That's that one. So for this one, let's put this image in there. So pretty. So pretty. I would give it water if it wasn't cold. This one has roots, so no worries there. That one's all set. Oh, this one. I love this one. I'm thinking that once this gets sun and water, I think these will kind of come out and reveal the one that's in there at the bottom. That's like the mama plant, and then these are all the babies. So I was trying to figure out what pot and then how deep, because yeah, so she has to be like pretty elevated like this. I think it looks so cute here. I don't know if it's like a good one for it to continue to grow, but I will keep a close eye out and watch for growth. So I want to bring these down. These roots need to come down. It would be very easy to propagate, but I like the look of it, so I'm going to leave it alone. Trying to make sure it doesn't sink in all the way yet. on this side. So these can kind of fall that way when it does open up. I think she will. This is so cute. Look at how cute, guys. Imagine when these kind of open up like this a little bit, huh? It's gonna be really cute. Okie dokie, that was all set. Spot right here. Let's see, still just push it down. It's just a little bit sideways, as you can see there. She was looking for the sun there. Hopefully she will straighten out. Okay. Now let's look how cute. Super adorable, guys. Let me finish them up. I'm all set. Here's this one that I just got. This one that has the root. This one. And then the Lola. So those are all potted up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.